In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube video in laptop. First of all, open youtube.com. Then find a video that you want to download. You can search or find from the browse feature. Find a video that you want to download. Suppose I want to download this video. In the bottom left corner of this video, here is three dot icon. Click on that, and here is download option. Another way to download the YouTube video, click on the video. In the bottom right corner of the video, here is download option. Click on that. Download quality, select the resolution that you want to download. If you use YouTube free version, you will get only these two options. If you have YouTube premium subscription, you can download high quality video and you will get more extra facility. Select the resolution and then click on download. Video will be automatically downloaded. Go back to home page. In the left hand panel, under U section, you will find the download. Click on that. You will get all of your downloaded video here. Now you can watch this video without any internet connection. That's how you can download YouTube video in your laptop. If this video found you helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this.